What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are starting today's vlog here at Skylar's house. If you guys haven't seen my last video, which you guys should watch to the end because there's a little surprise, but today we are starting today's vlog here. I just finished filming Island Ride, so be on the lookout for that. When I do have it ready, I'll have the link up here for you guys depending on when you guys see this video. So we are prepping for hopefully getting these cars, both of them, out on the road. If you guys saw my last video, I did say that Skylar picked up something really cool. This is something that's hard to come by, and for the deal that he got, dude, that was such a good deal. So last night, after I technically finished the vlog, we were like, it's only 7:30, but it felt like 10 o'clock. So we went ahead and put on the new wheels for this car. Just to recap from last night, we had Aaron here, the surgeon. He was here and diagnosed the problem for the orange NSX. Now the problem that we had was, oh god, I just stepped in mud. Anyway, now the main problem we had was the fuse that apparently it was plugged in. It was kind of like a dud, so we had to find a new fuse, now which we were then able to get it running. The car was sitting on the wheels the whole time, so we got to put air in it. Hopefully it holds. We're more than confident that it is. And like what Skylar's doing right now is giving the red one a bath. Then we're gonna give the orange one a bath. When was the last time we even had these cars cleaned? Never?
No. Long enough.
It's long overdue. So the goal is today to get both of these cars on the road, get it stretched, let the wheels. Are we taking out before work?
Well, I gotta do it before work.
Oh, okay, well. The main thing is we're trying to get both cars back on the road just to make sure everything runs well. Car startup is amazing still. These cars have a better startup than my car, which says a lot for such an old car. Again, both of these cars are older than me, so hopefully I can take this car out for a ride. Oh, should I show everybody the new wheels? Dude, these new wheels look amazing. We'll show it after, but these new wheels, oh my god, it just makes the car look that much better. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look at what the old wheels were. Now these wheels were the old, I think these were the Wed Sport wheels. They had like the navy blue with the electric blue accent to it. Now for some reason red and blue looked okay, but with the new wheels on, oh my god, they look so much better. It just pops that much more. What I think Skylar might end up doing is powder coating these wheels and the new wheels that he got. The new wheels that he got are like OG wheels, so we're gonna get these done, and maybe I think he's gonna powder coat the rest too. So new wheel reveal in 3, 2, 1. Dude, the lighting on this camera does not do any justice for the wheels. It looks more bronze than actually like gold, you know? But I mean, there's a touch of bronze, but it's more on the golder side.
Yeah.
Oh, these wheels look so good though. I like it. Actually, you know how you said black dish or white dish?
Yeah.
I think the chrome kind of stands out a little bit more. I actually like the chrome better. Yeah, let's just go to the other side. Maybe we can get a better look at it over here. Which ones are these? The old Volks, yeah?
Yeah.
I love the color.
I don't know if I want to run the Volks or the Acura.
Oh yeah, they just put an Acura sticker, yeah, on this.
Okay, the red car passed inspection for finally next.
I don't know, does it look? I say so. It's got the wash that it needed. Can tell you need a clay bar though, but
yeah.
Who's gonna come up and touch your car anytime soon? Right. Dude, the way it's looking on camera with the harsh sunlight, because I don't have my filter, like, it looks like a lava orange. Look at that. That looks cool though.
Actually, I was just thinking about that, the chemical water. It
Yeah.
does look kind of orangish.
Yeah.
I kind of like it. Not that orange.
Here, let me,
Like,
let me change the setting. Oh, there. See, look, now it looks a little more redder, but still, there's like an orange undertone to it.
I was kind of like that. I kind of wanted that color to be honest now.
Like a lava orange?
Maybe different.
Okay, that looks a little bit better. Red, orange. So I guess what we're gonna do is take off the stickers from the previous owner. I'm pretty sure this has been baking on there, so you kind of don't want the residue to be sticking completely to the glass. I mean, not gonna lie, they look cool, but technically these stickers are illegal from what I understand. You can't have too many stickers on your front windshield for the state of Hawaii. I don't know how it is for other states, but that's how it is for us. Or rear either. All right, I will be back for these. I'm gonna go film another video real quick, and then we're gonna take these out. Thank
I don't know
you,
if I'll have
sir.
it
Got
put
the
back
keys to
together
the
or not.
NSX. Got the keys to the car, boys. See you tonight. I'm using my phone for this, but here's the problem for us tonight. We were gonna take it out, and I was supposed to meet up with Skylar. Well, more problems. Everything was all good, all the tires were okay, but I checked the driver's rear and that is not good. So when you think that we were gonna finally get the cars on the road, now we have another problem with the tires. Oh my gosh, this is the life, boys. This is the car life. All right, I'm ending the vlog here. I almost forgot to do an outro for the vlog. It's already like 2 o'clock in the morning, and Skylar still hasn't texted me to let me know if he can actually fill the car with air. I tried countless times already, but it's not working. So I'm really hoping that the wheels just shifted off the barrel and nothing like major was happening to the tire. Also, again, don't mind the messy hair. This is probably the longest I've ever had my hair. Like, I think it got to a point when I was in college. I want to say like my sophomore year in college, where I was like, you know what, I'm just not gonna care about my hair anymore and just cut it short. Skin fade, short 2, maybe 3 on the top, and it's all good. Now, just to hold myself accountable, I am gonna keep growing this hair until the GTR is done. Probably another month or so, maybe even 2 months. You never know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, I have a lot more stuff coming, and there's way more NSX content to come because we're still trying to get them on the road. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate for all of you guys that actually watch to the end of my videos. It means a lot to me. So hopefully we can keep growing this channel. If you guys could, share it with your friends, share it with your family, whoever thinks like, you know, whoever you think may like automotive content from a creator from Hawaii. I would really love you guys for that. Obviously, you guys can tell it looks like I'm ready to go to bed. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember that you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.